Hi, I'm here with the head Hydrosorb, and I really like the head packaging. It's very easy to open up, just get that flap there, but you can feel what it feels like here if you're in the store. So this is really tacky. Just finished putting this on my racket, and it's really tacky. I really like this sort of grip for my paddle racket. This isn't specifically for paddle, it's also a tennis racket brand, of course, and you also get a little bit of extra, so for the longer tennis racket handle, so that's definitely enough. But it's really grippy, very nice. It's perforated just a little bit in the middle and not everywhere, but as you can see, it just has these perforations right here in the middle. Also a little bit of a logo grip, but it's just on the top, so nothing too much. I really like a thin handle, so I didn't use a lot of overlap, just a little bit to get like a really thin handle, which I like. And this is just a very cool grip tape. This is actually my favorite, the Hydrosorb. I've tested a lot of them, and I really recommend this if you like that tackiness feel, that tacky feel. For your grip handle, then I think this is the one to go. It is really tacky, so that's not your thing. This might be not for you, but I really recommend it if you do.